Welcome, students. Yesterday you learned to write equations in slope-intercept form. Today we're going to continue practicing that a little bit more. Let's review the steps. Step 1, you need to find your slope. That's your m value. Step 2, you need to identify the y-intercept, or your b value. And step 3, you just need to plug them into your slope-intercept form, which is also y equals mx plus b. Example 1. Find the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. We're given the slope of 1/2, and we're given the ordered pair 4/4. Remember that I can always write it as y equals mx plus b. At this point, I know my m value is 1/2, so this equation is going to turn into y equals 1/2 x plus b. And now, I found m. Step 2, I need to find b. To do this, I'm going to plug in my x and my y from my ordered pair. So I'll end up with 4 equals 1/2 times 4 plus b. This is 4 equals 2 plus b. If I subtract 2 from both sides, I figure out b is equal to 2. And the very last step is just plugging m and b in. That means I'll end up with y equals 1/2 x plus 2. And this would be my final answer. I want you to pause the video and try the second example on your own. If you're forgetting, go back and double check your steps. Make sure that you've gone through and done all 3. To start, I wanted to write y equals mx plus b. I know that I have my m value of -3, so I'm looking at y equals -3x plus b. Then I can use my x and y to plug in, so 5 equals -3 times 1 plus b. So 5 equals -3 plus b. To get b by itself, I'd add 3 to both sides and get 8 equals b. This gives me my m and my b, which means I know y equals -3x plus 8. Find the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. This time we're going to go from 2 sets of ordered pairs. This is a little bit harder, but again, remember, step 1, I'm looking for my m, or my slope. Step 2, I'm looking for b. Step 3, I'm just plugging it into y equals mx plus b. So, first step, find the slope of the ordered pairs. I'd make my bridges. This will be 10 minus -6 over 3 minus -1. 10 plus 6 is going to give me 16 over 4, which just turns out to be a slope of 4. Then I'm dealing with y equals 4x plus b. I can choose either ordered pair. I'll choose 310. So 10 equals 4 times 3 plus b. So 10 equals 12 plus b. I can subtract 12 from both sides, and b is equal to -2. That means my equation is y equals 4x minus 2. Pause the video and try the next one on your own. Again, step 1, build your bridges. I would choose to go to the right this time. So to find my slope, I'll do 5 minus -1 over 1 minus 3. This is going to give me 6 over -2, so I get a slope of -3. Then I'll rewrite y equals -3x plus b, and I'll plug in an ordered pair. In this case, it really doesn't matter which one I pick, but I'll just choose 1, 5. So 5 equals -3 times 1 plus b. So 5 equals -3 plus b. I can add 3 to both sides and figure out b is equal to 8. This means I have my b value, I have my m value, so y equals -3x plus 8 would be my final answer. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this review helped.